Good morning, class. Hope you all had a great weekend. I know it was a little cold and kind of gloomy, right? Foggy. Well, not foggy, but gloomy and cold and rain. So embrace the rain. We do like rain. I like rain myself. I do like the sunny days though, but rain is okay. So welcome to week 3. I hope all of you had a great weekend and were able to complete module 2. I did get some emails over the weekend in regards to module 2, so just as an FYI, when you did your career inventory assessments, your results will be emailed to the email that you use, so make sure you're checking your spam. If there's any questions, like let's say you didn't receive your results, please go ahead and reach out to the email that's on the link to the assignment, and it's this email here. Okay, so you want to make sure you're reaching out to the IVC Career Center for any questions. They will be able to get you your results if you haven't received them yet. This is where your results will be coming from. Okay, so your results will be coming from this noreply@themyersbriggs.net. Okay, so please make sure that you are looking or searching first through your inbox before you email us if you haven't received your assessment results. Okay, so for this week we have the theme of major skills in a changing world. So we're going to be talking about college majors. That's going to be your chapter read for this week. Make sure that you take a look at it. It is here. Okay, so make sure that you are reading the chapter 6 of the book, which is college majors. You talk a lot about what a major is, what it is, what it's all about. There's a video here that's not working, so don't worry about that. But the content is very good, so you can understand what the difference between a major and career are. Okay, so I want you to take a look at that, and then I'm also going to have you do a video discussion on 4 skills and 4 steps to a successful career, right? So I want you to do a video discussion on these here. So I want you to watch the video posted below, which is here, and then I want you to share at least 2 things that stood out to you about the video. Okay, what did each of these things stand out to you? Why did each of these things stand out to you, right? So the video references high school, so don't worry about that. Everything's relevant to community college as well. So what were 2 things that stood out and why? Okay, so take a look at that, and this is just a video on how to do a video discussion, so you don't have to look at this video here if you know how to post a video discussion. So you'll have that to do. There will be a written assignment for this week, and this here will be reflecting on this article here. So 20 big ideas that will change your world, right? And so it is here. I want you to take a look at this here, and it does reference the year 2020, but it's relevant to 2025. So 20 big ideas that would change your world in 2020. It says 2020, but it is relevant to 2025. Okay, so I want you to read the article there. Once you do that, then I want you to write a written reflection on the article. Okay, and so here are the instructions on what to do. Okay, a written reflection is just that. It's just a reflection. There's no right or wrong. Okay, so please make sure that you do that. This is your first written reflection. So I want you to read the article, and then I want you to tell me why did this idea stand out to you. So after reading the article, select 2 ideas that stood out to you, and then tell me why these 2 ideas stood out to you, right? And then there's other questions here that I want you to go ahead and also reflect on. So reflection paper here, it's anywhere from 1 to 2 pages, nothing crazy. Okay, so just make sure that you do this here as well. Okay, so, and then lastly, there is a worksheet. It's called Local Majors. This is where we will start to begin to explore our local majors. at IVC. And so there is this document here that I'm going to want you to download. And then I'm going to want you to select areas of interest from this web page here. Okay, so I want you to click on that. And it's going to take you to the areas of interest that we have here at IVC. So let me actually, is it working? Yeah, there it is. So once you click on it, it'll take you to our areas of interest at IVC. Okay, and so I want you to select a couple of these. So that's the ask here. So I want you to select an interest area from the page that you would like to learn more about. It doesn't have to be in alignment with your major. Just select something that you find interesting. And once you select an area, I want you to answer these questions, okay? And then the questions go on here, and then these are just some information, additional resources here that you may look into. But it's really just filling out this worksheet and then submitting that, okay? So, tell me what the interest area is that you selected. One program within the interest area, right? So if I wanted to do, I don't know, let's do business, right? The programs within business, the interest areas, the transfer programs, right? So it does require you to do some exploration here. So great resource. Take advantage of this activity here. It will help you with your exploration of majors, okay? So that is all we have for this week. So it's pretty much a discussion board, a reflection, could be one page, not a big deal, and then the worksheet here. Okay, so everything's due by February the 2nd. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If not, then have a blessed and best of luck this week. It's going to be cold, so bundle up. It's that time of the season where we're nearing like the spring, but it starts to get cold and all kinds of funky stuff start to happen. So it is week 3. We are moving along, so let us know if you have any questions. If you need support, hit me up. If not, I'll see you all on the next. Take care.